Hey guys, I'm just doing a restore a finish. So you can see I started to do this, and then this has got some monster scratches. So I'm gonna go ahead and I got steel wool restore finish towel. I'm gonna run it all over it and see what happens. So this is video number 1. Okay guys, this is after putting a restore finish on it. At certain angles you can still see a little bit of scar, but some of them are pretty deep. But overall, it came out pretty good. I used the can on more than one piece of furniture and only cost about $10. So for 2 pieces of furniture, one was a much bigger desk. I was able to get 2 pieces of furniture restored for $5. Yeah, it's still got some like that right there and that right there, but some of these other ones, it was really scuffed up. So that's what it looks like now. So you can see the difference.